Hey guys, I'm Landon. Today I'm gonna show you how to make my perfect award-winning pound cake with the easiest one bowl method that will change the way you bake forever. Let's do it. If you forget to leave eggs and butter out in room temperature for 1.5 to 2 hours, then the very first thing is cracking the cold eggs into the mixing bowl before anything else so they have time to warm up. Simply cut and microwave a stick of cold butter for about 20 seconds to soften for creaming. Forget about lining your pan with parchment paper. Greasing and flouring the pan is more efficient and more environmental friendly. Now the magic part. The signature compound creaming and mixing method has only 2 simple steps. Step 1. Cream butter with sugar, eggs, salt, baking powder, all together for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. Add the rest of the ingredients and mix for 1 minute. And that's it! We're done! How easy that is. For a uniform batter, be sure to scrape the bowl a few times. If the bowl feels heavy to pick up, a large cookie scoop can help with transferring the batter. Alright, some shakes and a few taps to level the batter and bake for 75 to 85 minutes. This photo explains what made this cake better, thanks to the extra egg yolks, the sour cream, and the varieties of extracts that push everything to the top. To check for doneness, here's a tip. To prevent breaking the air bubbles when the cake isn't done baking yet, only poke test if the cake is sturdy, not jiggling, and it bounces back when slightly pressed. The skewer should come out clean, like this. Now 5 to 10 minutes in the pan, then it will just pop right out. Look at this masterpiece! The outside is perfectly golden, the inside is dense as a pound cake should be, but so unbelievably moist and tender. This pound cake is excellent on its own, but you can elevate it even further with a simple lemon glaze, fresh fruits, something creamy to push your enjoyment to the top. You see, baking doesn't have to be complicated to be brilliant. All you need is the courage to break a few rules. Thanks so much, friends. Be sure to check out my other hassle-free recipes. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.